I think hiring is a lot like hunting. Literally, it's just hunting. I'm sitting there and I'm observing. I'm a lion. I'm a lion in the safari sitting on a rock, just relaxing. But when the gazelle is in the field, you go kill the gazelle. When I'm at a bar and I see, and I'm sitting there and I'm frustrated because the bartender hasn't made eye contact with me. They know I'm here. They're over in the corner chit chatting with a regular. That's 99% of bartenders today. But every now and then you have somebody who just has a full awareness of everybody at the bar. They have that awareness where they make eye contact with you. They give you a little finger. You know they're going to come your direction. They're passing. They're like, "Hey, what do you want?" They're putting it in the thing. They're slinging drinks, and they are keeping four times as many people at that bar happy. They have it. They have the it factor.
Hmm.
An unfortunate truth about life and business is that 75% of people in this world are totally incompetent. Your job as a business owner, as somebody who's hiring, is to spot those people and get them out of your organization. So Chris Powers, a really good friend of mine, mentor of mine, who has done phenomenally well in real estate. He has a podcast called The Fort. Um, I was complaining to him about one of my employees. This is a couple of years ago. I was on the phone venting. Man, he's made these mistakes. I've been trying to work with him. And he goes, Nick, you know what you need to do? And I'm like, what? And he goes, you got to fire him. You need to call, you need to get off the phone with me and you need to fire this person. And I'm like, Chris, I can't afford to fire him. He's like, we're busy. It's our busy season. He's working 60 hours a week. I can't afford it. He goes, Nick, fire him. Fire him today. You'll feel better tomorrow. He said, look, the general competence of your entire organization will fall to the level of competence that you tolerate.
Mm.
If you tolerate C players, in 5 years, you will have a C level organization and your company will be failing. And there's nothing that A players hate worse than interacting with C players. So your A players, you have two options, Nick. He's like, you have two options. You can fire the poor performers or you can watch your top performers walk away.
Mm.
And that stuck with me. And I live by that. So firing people, it's uncomfortable, it's hard, but I do it swiftly because my A players and my organization deserves it.